people, I'm doing another vlog, and he knows. Okay, so remember, I'm going to comment down below in the first 30 minutes, and it'll be so cool. So, I'm getting a fidget spinner in 2 weeks, so I'm making a video about that. And I think, in 3 weeks, because in 3 weeks is my birthday, because May 30th is my birthday. So if you want to give me any presents on it, presents on my birthday, you could if you want.
Ooh.
That's all of it right there?
Yep, that's all I had left. One box with 3.
Okay.
So, so I will be making another YouTube video only on some Fridays, on the third Friday and the second Friday. So, and it will be making some YouTube videos. So, could we reach 10,000 likes? I don't think we could. And if we do it, I'm gonna give a shout out to anybody who gets their name down. So that's all I wanted to say, and thank you who supported me. So, peace.